What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce this common German wine term that is part of the classification system of graded quality wines, the QMP system, to classify German wines based on the sugar content of the grapes before making the wine. So you have different levels of sugar concentration, and here we are looking at how to pronounce Spätlese. Spätlese literally translates into late harvest. So if you see Spätlese wine on a wine label, well, it just means that it's a late harvest wine, so pretty concentrated grapes that the wine was made with. So we are dealing with a pretty high level of quality wine. How do you go about pronouncing it again? Spätlese. Spätlese. Spätlese, German wine, Spätlese, Riesling, for example, or Gewürztraminer, Silvaner, Pinot Gris. That would be Grauburgunder. Anyhow, Spätlese. Spätlese. If you want to learn more about German wines and German wine terms, here are some videos about it. I will leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.